Hello and welcome to Rain and Rail Enthusiast and a continuation of our series along the railway line. To find out where we are today, here's John with the railway map. And today I'm on the South East Mainline, which runs from Charing Cross and Cannon Street on the northwest of the map down to Dover Priory on the southeast of the map. And I'm here at Elmstead Woods. Opened in 1904, the station was actually quite large considering that even from the outset not many stopping services would be provided. The 4-track section would enter 2 separate tunnels on the London-bound direction at the end of the platforms. The station building on the coastbound side is very good for a quiet station, with extensive canopies either side. There was a building on the London-bound side also, but this was demolished sometime in the 1960s. All of the platforms are served by a long footbridge, originally fully covered, but part of that was removed in the renovations of the 1960s. This remaining cover has been repaired and repainted in the last few years however, and it now looks very good. One thing of note is that the station never had any goods yard, the one at nearby Chislehurst being sufficient. It did however have its own signal box positioned on the coastbound side of the London-bound platform. However, this became out of use in 1960 when a new power box was installed at Chislehurst. This view from platform 2 shows the tunnel portal of the fast lines. Stopping services at time of filming are provided by Class 376, 466 and 700 electric multiple units. Outside of the station building you will find a small car park, and the front of the building is adorned with many posters. There is a cycle hub at the far end of the station. Next to this is a parcel pickup and drop-off point. And you'll find an electronic ticketing machine just beside the front entrance. As you walk inside the building, you will see doors to the platforms, and to your right, the ticket office. If you turn around, you will find some Oyster contactless points. And to the left of the entrance as you walk through, you'll find a small community area which contains plants for sale and also a small lending library. In the forward left-hand corner, there is a coffee shop. As we walk out onto platform 4, you'll see the restored canopy above you, with toilet facilities on the far side of the building. There is a vending machine. And also a help point. On the far side of the building, there are some Oyster points as well as an exit. On platforms 2 and 3 you will find a very nice waiting room.
The train now approaching platform 2 does not stop here.
This also contains a very small lending library. Platforms are provided with dot matrix displays. The Elmstead Wood Gardening Club look after these super green areas on platforms 2 and 3. A recently added feature to these gardens are these fantastic bear carvings by Will Lee, which were provided by the Chislehurst Society and form part of a bear trail, the details of which I will leave in the description below. It is a great area to walk through and perhaps relax a little while you wait for your train. The Gardening Club is always keen for volunteers, so please visit their site by following the link below if you wish to help out. The statistics for Elmstead Woods are that it opened in 1904, it has 4 trains per hour in both directions off peak with additional trains during peak hours, and the entry and exit figures for 2019-2020 were 1,133,022. Elmstead Woods is a great place to sit and relax, whether you are a railway enthusiast or not. Its recent refurbishment is fantastic, and the well-tended gardens make this a very pleasant station indeed. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and if you can, get out there, get on the railway and see where it takes you. Thanks very much for watching.